Hit the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest update of our videos.
Hey, greetings friend. In this video, I'm going to explain how to find the server IP address of any website. So guys, if you are really interested, then please continue watching this video. Let's explore it. So guys, as I earlier said that in this video I'm going to share the trick how to find the server IP address of any website. So this can be take place with the help of reverse lookup IP. So the very first thing, you have to open your command prompt. So just go to your start and write cmd command prompt, and you will get this type of black window which is used for getting the help in IP address. So in this method, essentially png command work for us to locate IP address for any website. Actually ping command work for ICMP protocol, which is made for server addresses. Hence this command is used to locate the server addresses. So just write ping command. After that you have to write your URL of your website. Let's take an example of amazon.com. So I write www.amazon.com and then just press the enter, and IP addresses start going to display here. So this is the IP address of the server IP address of this amazon.com website. So this is the very small and the simple trick to know the IP address of any website. If you really like this video, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.